Explanation of shall, along with 50 example sentences to help you understand and use it correctly. What is shall? Shall is a modal verb used mainly to 1. Make polite offers or suggestions. 2. Ask for or give formal permission. 3. Talk about future actions, mostly in formal English or British English. It is mostly used with I and we. Basic usage patterns of shall. 1. Shall plus subject plus base verb. For suggestions/questions. Shall we go? 2. Subject plus shall plus base verb, for offers/promises/future actions. I shall return. 50 example sentences using shall. Offers and suggestions. 1. Shall I help you? 2. Shall we begin the meeting? 3. Shall I carry your bag? 4. Shall we sit here? 5. Shall I open the window? 6. Shall we go out for dinner? 7. Shall I make some tea? 8. Shall we call a taxi? 9. Shall I explain it again? 10. Shall we wait for him? 11. Shall I come with you? 12. Shall we take a break? 13. Shall I clean the table? 14. Shall we dance? 15. Shall I book the tickets? Promises or intentions. 16. I shall never forget this day. 17. We shall return soon. 18. I shall always be with you. 19. We shall do our duty. 20. I shall respect my elders. 21. We shall win this match. 22. I shall not give up. 23. We shall stand together. 24. I shall try again tomorrow. 25. I shall work hard for success. 26. We shall complete this project. 27. I shall keep my word. 28. We shall stay calm. 29. I shall follow the rules. 30. We shall make it happen. Future actions, formal or poetic. 31. I shall see you tomorrow. 32. We shall meet at 10 a.m. 33. I shall call you later. 34. We shall discuss it tomorrow. 35. I shall arrive on time. 36. We shall start the program at 6. 37. I shall reach by noon. 38. We shall go for a walk. 39. I shall inform the manager. 40. We shall prepare everything. Negative sentences. 41. I shall not lie. 42. We shall not forget our duties. 43. I shall not be late. 44. We shall not disappoint you. 45. I shall not argue with you. 46. We shall not take long. 47. I shall not make that mistake again. 48. We shall not fail. 49. I shall not miss the chance. 50. We shall not surrender.